If you're having a hard time finding a good job that will give you many profits, then you're watching the right video. Because today, guys, I'm going to explain to you how you can find an affiliate program which will offer you a rich marketplace with programs that have really high commissions. High commissions mean more money for you for each click that you're going to get. Might be a little bit harder because the prices are higher, but still, with everything that I'm going to explain on this video, everything is going to be easy for you. Once you set this up, it's going to give you a lot of profits. It's worldwide available. It's completely for free for you. So what you will have to do is just grab that laptop, make sure you have a good and a strong internet connection, and start working immediately. Now, before I reveal to you even more, first I would like to ask you guys to show us some support by subscribing to my YouTube channel, but also turn on notification bell so in this way you will never lose any new update from me. You can jump over to Re-Anki Creating and go over to the video section, and here click on the popular option so you can find the best videos that we have already published. So guys, let's jump over and let me represent to you the website that we're going to use today. So the website is called Partner Stock, and you probably have heard about it because it's very famous because it offers really good marketplace and with high commissions too. Now here guys, you're going to find different products starting with mostly programs that can help you out with ads, or programs to help you out with advertisement, or programs to help you out with marketing, or programs to help you out with web developments, with social media, and different things that we're going to check out most specifically when we go to the marketplace. Here you can buy these programs which will help you out a lot and make your life easier, but guys, we are not here to buy any of them. In fact, we are here to promote them. So let's go over to the marketplace section, which we can find it over here. Click on that and you're going to be directed to the Partner Stock marketplace. So explore, earn, excel. Let's find our best partnership over here. So we can create partnership with each program that we're going to find here. So you have the recently added, the trending, the accounting, development, e-commerce, human resources, marketing, productivity, sales, and social media. As you can see, you can find here a bunch of endless programs that you can work with them and get paid. But guys, I have thought about it because I probably thought that it will be difficult for you since you are new here to go over to Partner Stack and decide for the best program that it suits you, because you don't know about the commissions and you have never done this before. So I made a little research and I discovered this program. In fact, there exist many different programs there that you can choose, but I think this is one of the best out there, which is called AdCreative.ai. Artificial intelligence powered, L powered ad creatives. Generate conversion focused ad banners and social media post creatives in a matter of seconds using artificial intelligence. Get better results while decreasing your workload. Here you are going to find amazing things like using artificial intelligence, generating ad creatives that helps you sell fast, up to 40 times higher conversion rates. Over 95% of the users improve CTR in their first month using their creatives. Now guys, I'm just making a little representation of what is ad creative and why you should choose it. So here you're going to find a really good machine and also better conversions, super scalable, seamless designs, platform integrations, created for collaborations, text generators, see insights, white label ready. But guys, we are not here to use these. We are not here to buy any of the packages that they offer, but you can have a look at them because you are going to represent to the people. So if you scroll down a little bit, you are going to find this option called affiliate, in which we are going to use it. Click on that and you're going to become part of Ad Creative Affiliate, in which you are going to earn money, but also rewards too, that I would totally recommend to you because it's amazing. So let's get some more information about it. this is how much you're going to earn, because this is our favorite part, learning about how much we're going to earn by using this program. So 30%. Now, you're probably thinking that this is not the highest percentage that you have seen in your life, the highest commission, but don't speak immediately, because we are speaking about tons of money here, guys. We are not speaking about small amount of money. Why so? Because we are not selling books which cost 10 or 20 bucks. We are not selling even small products. We are not selling links. We are not selling giveaways, or I don't know, which will only give you like $2 to $3. We're speaking for a big product with a big price to business people who are willing to pay those money. So guys, for only 10 paid signs up, you can earn $750 per month. If you bring 100 paid signs up, you're going to earn $7,400 per month. If you bring 1,000 paid signs up, you're going to earn $74,700 per month. If you bring 5,000 paid signs up, you're going to earn for $373,000 per month. So basically, guys, you are going to earn a bunch of money. We are speaking for the biggest money that you probably have seen in an affiliate program. Now, of course, it will be a little bit difficult to reaching out 5,000 sources or 1,000, but 10 and 100, trust me when I say that I have such an amazing trick for you so you can earn those $7,000. You're going to see challenges and rewards over here, instant affiliate resources, and even more. I don't think I have to speak up anymore because the big numbers over here told you everything. Guys, just click on that, become a partner over here, and sign up. You are going to sign up practically to Partner Stock because it creates immediately a relationship with the ad creative. Sign up with Google, or you can do it manually with an email. You decide for that. So guys, go over to Google now, because we're going to search up for businesses, because we need business to create this relationship and make them to sign up and of course earn those $7,000 per month. So what we have to do is think about a business. It can be any type of business, different niches like restaurants, coffee shops, barbershops, gym, everything that comes up to your mind. So practically businesses which are famous and are endless. I'm going with restaurants in Dubai. As you see, guys, every time I search up on Google for restaurants in Dubai, it's going to show up some ads. So these are doing better than the others. Why so? Because they have paid money to show up at first over here at the list. So people are going to search up for restaurants in Dubai, and these two ads show up, pop up to them. Of course, they're going to click on those two ads over there and not scroll down to see the other options. So this is what business people want to. They want to show up at first when someone searches them up on Google. And this is what we are going to give them with the help of Ad Creative. So guys, I found this business over here. Make sure they have a website. Go to the contact section, and there you can find the email. Just write them down on email. I'm going to show you what you can write to them and show them about Ad Creative, just like I have done over here. So at the subject, you're going to write, claim your $500 Google Ads bonus, because as I told you, Ad Creative gives you a bonus, which is this one over here. So 500 free Google Ads credits. It's not a scam, it's everything real. Hey there, I just came across your ad on Google. I must say you did something impressive job right there. I'm writing to you to inform you that our company is offering free $500 Google Ads bonuses to the fastest 10 local businesses to sign up through the following link. And here you're going to put the following link. We offer ad creative services to help people like you get better results with ad campaigns and to incentive people to try their services. And we offering free 500 ad bonuses. So guys, they will immediately be interested on this. Why not? Because it will give them more clients. So please just pause the video, copy this that I have written over here, and send it to as many businesses out there as you can until you reach out at least 10 or 100 of them. Thank you guys for watching. I really hope you have enjoyed this video. If yes, then give it a like. Don't forget to subscribe and also check out other videos as well.